Did you buy several gas detectors to measure multiple gases? Do you waste time changing gas detectors on site every time you test? Get to know the SKZ1050, your 4-in-1 safety guardian. It can simultaneously scan carbon monoxide, hydrogen sulfide, oxygen and flammable gases with one hand. No more fumbling around changing instruments for detection. Focus on your work without frequently switching tools. Is your gas detector frequently losing data, and do you urgently need a detector with a large data storage capacity? Take a look at this SKZ1050, which can store 100,000 records equivalent to the data volume of 3 months of continuous monitoring. It can be downloaded via USB in one click. You will never lose data again. This will allow you to easily get rid of the anxiety caused by worrying about data loss. Is the detector you bought hard to read in a dusty tunnel? The timeline is the lifeline. Now, the SKZ1050 can solve this problem. Its 180 ultra-wide LCD screen saves you the trouble of turning your head. The anti-glare screen of the SKZ1050 can clearly display real-time gas curves and ppm level values from any angle. You can see the gas values at a glance, ensuring safety clearly. Are you still worried that the gas detector in harsh environments might inhale dust and cause inaccurate measurement results? Well, that's because you haven't encountered the SKZ1050 yet. It has a built-in water vapor or dust filter, which can protect the sensors when working in mines, sewers, and damp laboratories. You don't have to worry about inaccurate results due to too much impurities, nor do you have to worry about the short lifespan of the sensor. In high-risk environments, a single error from a gas detector could lead to significant losses. Are you still worried about the excessive error of the detector that cannot be calibrated? Take a look at the laboratory-level accuracy combined with the ruggedness for the field, SKZ1050. The calibration of SKZ1050 ensures an error of 2%. You can still rely on these readings when lives are at stake. Do you need more? Customized for chemical plants with accuracy up to 1%. Accuracy saves costs. Place your order now and enjoy exclusive discounts.